How to identify on which OS Python is running on? What do I need to look at to see whether I'm on Windows or Unix, etc.?
The output of platform.system is as follows: Linux, Linux, Mac, Darwin, Windows, Windows. C. Platform, access to underlying platforms identifying data.
Dang, Louis Brandy beat me to the punch, but that doesn't mean I can't provide you with the system results for Vista. And I can't believe no one's posted one for Windows 10 yet.
For the record, here's the results on Mac.
Sample code to differentiate operating systems using Python.